Place candles in fabric softener. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can be transformed into something entirely different. Take a pan and place the candles on it. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use a fork to remove the wicks from the melted candles. Take a small glass container and pour the melted wax into it. Then add fabric softener. Sprinkle in a few cloves as well. Finally, add the wick to the mixture. Hold it in place with a clothespin so it doesn't fall in. Once the wax solidifies, remove the clothespin. Sprinkle a few more cloves on top of the candle. Finally, light the candle, and you're done. This natural candle will fill your home with a beautiful fragrance and help you get rid of unwanted mosquitoes. Ticks will flee from you. This remedy is a lifesaver. I always have one small bottle with me. This spray is natural and completely free. There is no need to spend money on expensive product. I spray it on my overgarments, especially my pants, when I spend time outdoors. I haven't had a tick in many years. Not only will ticks avoid you from afar, the spray is also excellent at repelling mosquitoes and midges. What to do to have such a spray? Just pay attention to one plant on your walk. It is this plant, a natural tick repellent that grows in meadows, under the forest and along roads. Pick a few twigs and take it home. It is easily recognized by its characteristic flowers, which bloom yellow from mid-July. Put the flowers in a pitcher. Pour hot water over them. Set aside for 30 minutes. When the infusion cools, pour it into a spray bottle. Spray your outerwear when you go walking in the woods, especially pants and shoes, and you won't have a problem with ticks anymore. Ants will not return for the next few years. You will get rid of ants and aphids with 100% effectiveness. This is my favorite natural ant spray. It's made from cucumber. It works wonders. Few people know that cucumber is so effective. The bitter ingredient in it acts like poison to ants. Cut it into slices and put them in a blender. Add a glass of vodka to the cucumbers. Blend everything until you get a smooth consistency. Then strain through a sieve to get rid of the cucumber remnants. Add 2 tablespoons of shampoo or liquid soap and mix thoroughly. Now just pour the ready solution into a spray bottle. Your natural ant spray is ready. Now you just need to spray the places where you notice insects. This spray not only repels ants, but is also safe for household members. It's a poison that ants avoid. Additionally, vodka and shampoo help in effective application. They make the mixture more effective due to the stronger scent. I hope this method will be as helpful for you as it has been for me. It only takes 10 minutes to get rid of ants. This trick will make the ants run away. You can eliminate an entire anthill without using harmful substances. I'll show you how to do it. Take a lemon, which is the main ingredient of our trick. Also, prepare some cloves. They are the second most important ingredient. Cloves are a very effective natural ant repellent because insects dislike their strong scent. Take the cloves and start sticking them into the lemon. There should be quite a few cloves. This lemon is now ready to use. Simply place it on the anthill. You can also place it where ants often appear. You'll see the first effects within a few minutes. Cloves combined with natural repellents like lemon create a strong deterrent effect. The ants will disappear quickly. There's no need to resort to chemical insecticides right away. It's worth using homemade remedies. Get rid of all the bugs in your home for just 4 zloty. It's a brilliant method that replaces harmful chemical preparations. You'll have a pleasantly smelling home, free from insects. Just do a simple thing. We'll show you how to take care of your home to get rid of ants, moths, flies, and mosquitoes. Use simple products that you already have at home. You'll be surprised to see how suddenly all the flies disappear after a short time. You'll need regular bar soap and dry cloves. Go to the spice cabinet and grab some cloves. Stick the cloves into the soap. You'll need from 20 to 30 cloves and 1 bar of your chosen soap. The scent of the soap is irritating to flies and ants. Cloves are the best insect repellent. They repel bugs as long as they smell. The combination of soap and cloves has an even greater effect. Ants, moths, and even bedbugs hate their smell. Instead of health-harming preparations, this method is completely safe. Soap with cloves placed next to the laptop on the desk protects against mosquitoes. Left in the kitchen cabinet, it repels all food moths and ants. If you put such a bar on the clothing shelf, moths won't touch them. It also repels bugs from the outside. If you have snails in your garden, you can get rid of them. Spray this all over the garden, and the snails will disappear. This natural mixture will repel these pests. Additionally, it eliminates aphids, caterpillars, and deters ants. If you have a garden, you are surely familiar with these pests. Snails can destroy crops as they enjoy cultivated vegetables and fruits. You probably know that you can protect your crops with methods like using ash. Sprinkling ash around plants creates a barrier that stops snails. Another method is using eggshells. A sufficient layer of eggshells spread in the garden will also deter these pests, though you need a lot of them. Remember that coffee grounds can also be used in the garden like ash and eggshells. But today, I will show you a mixture made from them. Add 1 tablespoon of ground coffee or coffee grounds to 300 milliliters of warm water. Caffeine repels snails and other pests. Next, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic is rich in sulfur and allicin, which snails and many other pests dislike. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of mint, either fresh or dried. The essential oils in mint are excellent for repelling ants and snails. Mix everything and leave it for a few hours. Then strain it through gauze or a coffee filter. Dilute with about 3 liters of water. Use this mixture to spray the borders of the garden, paths, plants, and vegetables. Use it regularly, and you'll see that snails won't be as eager to visit your garden. Put black pepper under your bed. It might sound like it doesn't make any sense, but it actually makes a lot of sense. This is a really clever trick that can solve many of your problems. All you need is 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Toss the pepper into a grinder and grind it up. Freshly ground pepper from a grinder has a better aroma than pre-ground pepper you buy at the store. Now, sprinkle the pepper around the windowsills, door frames, and even on your table. But the most important place to focus on is your bed. For a long-lasting effect, take some aluminum foil, place the pepper in the foil, fold it up, and then use a toothpick to poke holes in the packet. This way, the aroma will seep out through the holes, and you'll avoid making a mess. Place this packet under your bed. It also works perfectly in your wardrobe. In a moment, I'll explain why. Another effective method is to mix the pepper with warm water. Take a jug of warm water and add the pepper. Let it sit for 24 hours. Then strain the mixture through a filter. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, here's what it's for. Black pepper has a strong aroma that repels all sorts of insects like mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bedbugs, and many others. Additionally, if the neighbor's cat does its business in your garden, you can spray the area with this pepper water solution. This mixture also deters mice and rats. As you can see, pepper has many uses beyond the kitchen.